Thank you for joining us on the news update on Enyimba TV. I am Mary Ihejirika. Traditional rulers in the southeast, in their meeting in Umuahia, Abia State, are calling for the release of indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob leader Nnamdi Kanu, citing his detention as a factor in the ongoing tension. Chairman of the Abia State Traditional Rulers Council, His Royal Majesty Ezelinus Nto Mba, appealed to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for a political solution to Kanu's incarceration. Mba argued that Kanu's release would restore peace, enable identification of those perpetuating violence, and end the harmful sit-at-home practice. The monarchs blamed Igbo political elites for the federal government's disrespect towards Igbo royal fathers, urging Southeast governors to treat traditional rulers with dignity. Prominent monarchs in attendance included Obi of Onitsha, His Royal Majesty Igwe Alfred Achebe, and Chairman of Enugu and Ebonyi State Councils of Ndeze, His Royal Majesty Igwe Samuel Asadu, and His Royal Majesty Igwe Charles Nguma. The summit concluded with a closed-door session. Thank you for watching the news update at this time. On behalf of the production team, my name is Mary Ihejirika. To have an amazing day.